Hi, I'm Max, and let me ask you this. Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you just can't seem to get ahead financially? You're not alone. Most people are stuck in the same cycle, working harder, earning more, but never feeling truly free. What if I told you there's a simple, yet incredibly powerful way to reprogram your mind for financial success? A method that allows you to break free from the invisible scripts holding you back and start creating the wealth you deserve? That's exactly what the money script is designed to do. Let's be real for a second. If you're watching this, you've probably tried everything. Budgeting apps, side hustles, even financial coaching. But somehow the money still slips away, leaving you stressed, frustrated, and stuck in the same old patterns. The truth is, it's not your fault. You've been programmed, yes, programmed, to think and behave in ways that sabotage your financial success. These subconscious beliefs, often planted in childhood, tell you things like, money doesn't grow on trees, you have to work hard to be rich, I'll never be wealthy like them. These limiting beliefs act like chains, holding you back from unlocking your true potential. And until you rewrite these subconscious scripts, no amount of hard work or financial advice will get you where you want to be. That's where the money script comes in. This isn't just another self-help book or online course. It's a scientifically designed system that helps you rewire your mind for financial abundance. Here's how it works. Uncover your current money script. Through simple but eye-opening exercises, you'll identify the subconscious beliefs that are sabotaging your financial success. Rewire your subconscious. Using proven neuro-linguistic programming, NLP techniques, and guided audio sessions, you'll reprogram your mind to think and act like a wealthy person. Manifest financial abundance. Once your mental blocks are cleared, you'll start attracting opportunities, making better financial decisions, and watching your wealth grow effortlessly. The best part? You don't need hours of spare time or any special skills. This system is designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, delivering results faster than you ever thought possible. Now, imagine this. Waking up every day, not worrying about bills or debt, knowing you have the freedom to take that dream vacation, invest in your future, or spoil your loved ones, feeling confident and in control of your financial destiny. That's the life you deserve. But here's the harsh truth. If you don't change your money script now, nothing else will change. You'll keep working harder and harder, only to find yourself in the same place, living paycheck to paycheck, missing opportunities, and feeling stuck. The question is, are you ready to break free from that cycle? And here's the best part. The money script is completely risk-free. You have a full 60-day money-back guarantee. That's 2 whole months to try the program, dive into the material, and start seeing results. If you're not completely blown away by the transformation, simply reach out, and we'll give you every penny back. No questions, no hassles. That's how confident we are in this system. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and get instant access to the money script today. We highly recommend the premium package, which includes additional guided audio sessions and advanced strategies to accelerate your results. Don't let another day go by feeling stuck and frustrated. Take control of your financial future now. You deserve to live a life of abundance, freedom, and wealth, and the money script is here to help you get there. This is your moment, your opportunity to break free from the chains of financial stress and step into the life you've always dreamed of. Click the button below, get started with the money script, and let's rewrite your financial story together. The choice is yours. Are you ready to take that first step?